Hey, this is Dr. Williams, and I wanted to give you a quick rundown on what you'll experience next week as we get started in PCHEM. I want to give you a quick tour of the Blackboard page and would like to help you get prepared to upload your homework. The homework in this course is a very particular method for uploading the homework. I want you to do handwritten work in a composition book and scan those pages with an app called CAM Scanner. This is our Blackboard page for PCHEM. The home landing screen is the announcement page. Every Blackboard site has to have a syllabus link, but the most useful section in this navigation page for PCHEM is the lecture notes section. I've got a little bit here about how to do PCHEM and how to succeed, and then I have the fall schedule. So every lecture topic is given here, and you can see when the exams are, when I'm going to be out of town, and also the different holidays. Then below that you will see all the different topics: quantum transitions and selection rules, molecular orbital theory and electronic spectroscopy, and atomic and molecular spectroscopy. Those are the main three topics that we'll cover in this course. But I want to start quickly this week, and I want you to get practice uploading your homework. So the first homework assignment will be due Thursday night. And so here's some instructions on this homework portion of the navigation bar over here. You click that, and you can always go here to find out what homework is due. And so our first assignment is due 8:23 in the evening, and that first assignment is just 3 pages out of your notebook. What I'd like for you to do is download the CAM Scanner app. So here's a picture of it in the Google Play Store, CAM Scanner. It's a free app, and it's fantastic. Once I've purchased my composition notebook and I've done my homework, I'm going to take these pages and I'm going to scan them one at a time with the CAM Scanner app. So after downloading the app, it's right here, I click it, and you see this camera button down here. When I click that, it's going to want to scan a document. So I just hold it above that document and click the button down here at the bottom. The nicest thing about this app is it allows you to square up the page. And so you can set these document boundaries. It will crop the image, and it will focus just on the document itself. Notice how it squared everything up, and it actually has some nice features in terms of lighting. There's what they call magic color, which makes the white page totally white. You could also do grayscale. Grayscale images are smaller in size, and so that's probably the preferred way to create your PDF files. So when I'm done with one page, I click the checkbox down here in the bottom, and I'm ready to scan the second page. So flip the notebook page, hold the camera, click that button on the bottom, hold it over my document, over my notebook, and I have to adjust it. So I've got it adjusted for that page. Click the checkbox, squares everything up, cleans up the lighting and contrast. I hit the check mark, and now I'm ready to upload this to myself. Actually, I email it to myself using this little share button up here at the top. So I click the little share button, and I want to pick PDF. And so it creates a PDF file. I use my Gmail account to email it to my campus account, and I'll receive it in my university inbox. Then I download that to a thumb drive or to my external hard drive or my C drive. Anyway, I download it from my email, and then I upload it to Blackboard. Now, where do I upload this in Blackboard? Well, you'll notice here's the assignment, the homework assignment. It tells me all of the details of the items that I need to complete for this homework assignment. And to upload this PDF file that I now have saved on my computer, I just click this link up here. Once I click that, Then I come down here to Attach Files, Browse My Computer. So I browse my computer, I find that PDF file of my scanned homework and hit Attach. I find it and attach it. And then I hit Submit, and that's all I have to do to submit my homework. So the homework is in your hands. This is how you learn new things, is to get your pencil out and your notebook, and you teach yourself some of the details. I will guide your inquiry. I will give you example problems and send you into the book for particular figures that you need to explain. I will give you vocabulary words that you need to use to create note cards. And so this is how you learn throughout the semester, and you just need to document that you're doing the work on your end to Blackboard each week, and the TAs and I will check that out. So that's how homework will run in this course, and you just need to get the CAM scanner. Now you don't have to use that particular app, but any kind of app that makes it convenient to scan your notebook is useful. Or if you want to use the university scanners in the computer lab, I think that's a little too cumbersome, but you know, to each his own. The bottom line is you need to upload a single PDF file of that week's assignments by Thursday night at 11:59 p.m. All right, thanks.